The earliest classification of naturally occurring elements was metals and nonmetals. Let's find out how to identify if an element is metal or non-metal. There are some very obvious features we all know about metals. For example, metals make typical sound and it produces deep ringing sound. Just like a coin, which is a metal, makes a sound when dropped. This property of metal is used in many musical instruments. This property of metal alone is not sufficient to identify an element as metal because the stretched rubbery leather on the musical instrument tabla also produces typical sound, which is a leather. Leather is not made of metal. It's a non-metal. So, sound produced by an element alone is not enough to distinguish it as a metal or non-metal. Another property which is helpful in identifying metallic nature of an element is its ability to conduct electricity. This is good technique to identify an element as metal. But there is exception with this property. Graphite, which is a non-metal, conducts electricity. So, it is not a single property of an element, it is combination of one or more properties which make an element a metal.